Dear children, I wish you all a very cheerful good morning. We have met after a long break as after the reopening of the summer vacations. I hope you all are well at your home and the lesson whatever you are taught before the vacation all are taught by the Meenakshi ma'am. I contacted her and as she informed me, she has taught up to chapter 1 of your English practice book. And in this lesson you have studied about the noun, kinds of noun. I hope she taught you, and particularly the abstract noun. Thereafter countable and uncountables also taught. So I hope you are all well known about the nouns and its kinds, whether countable, uncountable, or all the 5 parts of the noun. In the second chapter you have to study about the determiners. So before starting this lesson, I would like to introduce about the definition of this topic. You can see the definition of this topic that determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. So generally you can say determiners are all used before nouns. You can see chapter 2 of your book. This is chapter 2 of your book, in which you can see some examples of the determiners, a few, some, a little, many, a lot of, a or an, several, each, etc. Here is your worksheet 1, in which you can study the instruction. You have to read. You have read the chapter in your reader book, The Tale of a Tale, of my English reader, that Swami and P had a fight. Now that Swami has realized that he is wrong, he is preparing an egg carton jewelry box to gift to his friend. Read the procedure for making the same and fill in the blanks using the words given in the aid box below. So before starting this worksheet, we have to study about the use of these determiners and the definition. What you can see here, that determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. They all come at the beginning of noun phrase, and usually we cannot use more than one determiner in the same noun phrase. What is noun phrase? A group of words with a noun as its main part. You can see some examples also. To understand the noun phrase, you can see these examples: my pen, this ceremony, a Coca-Cola can, any question, that jar, a lot of food, a disappointed parent. So whatever you can see, the words used before the noun, those all are determiners. Pen, ceremony, Coca-Cola can, question, jar, food, disappointed parent, these all are nouns. And whatever the words used before these nouns are determiners. And with these determiners, whatever the nouns are used, these all are called noun phrase. Now I hope you all are able to understand the definition of noun phrase very well. You can see some more examples of determiners: the, and, these, one, my, your, a little, which, other, those, most. So now you should know the classes of determiners. Determiners are classified in 7 different groups. By mistake it is written 8 here, but it is 7 in different groups. First one: articles, demonstratives, quantifiers, possessives, numbers, distributives or indefinite pronouns, question words or relative pronoun. These are the 7 different classes of determiners. Articles you all know. You can also see in your book where you have to learn how to use the articles a or an in worksheet number 1. Whatever the examples do you see here, these all are determiners, and you have to use these determiners in worksheet number 1 in this box. Whatever the blanks do you see, you have to use these determiners to fill in these blanks. So before knowing this, you have to learn where to use these determiners. You already know the use of a or an. A is used before the words starting with a consonant sound, and an is used before the words starting with vowel sound. Consonant sound and vowel sound. You can say, suppose this is newspaper. 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 So you can see this word start with N. News. So if you compare its sound, then it starts with आधा न। स्वर वर्ण और व्यंजन वर्ण। तो स्वर वर्ण in which a to a comes and व्यंजन वर्ण in which ka to gya comes. So whatever the word starts with the sound starting from ka to gya, so those all are called consonant sounds, and the words which starts with a to a, that is called vowel sound. So n, new starts with na, so it is consonant sound, so you will use a before it. And the word which starts with a vowel sound, how will you understand whether the word starts with a vowel sound or not? By comparing the words with a to a. By comparing the words with a to a. Suppose imitation jewels, or suppose I put a fresh example in front of you as a honest, honest man. What will you use before it? It starts with consonant, but you have to see the sound, not the starting letter. Honest. How will you write it? O or O. Honest. O is vowel, so you will use an before it. An honest man. So according to this sound by which the word starts, you will use a or an before it. Rest of the determiners, a few, some, a little, many, a lot of, several, each, these all are determiners, and these all determiners will be used before either countable nouns or uncountable nouns. So a few, some, many, several, each, these all are used before countable nouns. You can see here a few, some, many, several, each. These all are used before countable noun. And rest, a little, a lot of, are used before uncountable nouns. A little, a lot of, these all can be used before uncountable nouns. Now I hope you can use these determiners before the given blanks in the worksheet number 1 very wisely. So this is your classwork. You please use these determiners given in the aid box in the blanks given at the right margin as worksheet number 1 very carefully and write down in your copy and send me in this group so that I can go through your lesson, I can go through your topic, I can go through your work and will give the remarks accordingly or according to your works done. Okay children, so do it just now and just send the classwork in the group. Any children, if have any problem, you please feel free to ask the doubts. I must be make it clear. Please don't have any hesitation. Ask without any hesitation. Okay? Good.